Good morning to all of you in today's lecture of nm cube per hour to meter cube per hour, nm cube to sm cube along with nm cube to metric ton conversions. I have started one more YouTube channel whose link is basically given in description box along with my first and last slides. So those who are interested for tips related with chemical engineering, they should go through the same. At first we have to know the differences between nm cube and sm cube. nm cube is basically normal cubic meter and sm cube is basically standard cubic meter. The temperature in case of nm cube is 0 degree centigrade. In case of sm cube it's 15 degree centigrade. The pressure in both cases is basically 1 atmosphere, and in case of nm cube 1 mole of a gas is occupying 22.4 liters of volume, but in case of sm cube 1 mole of a gas is occupying 23.64 liters of volume. These are basically the main differences between nm cube and sm cube. A query is given to us where we have to convert nm cube to basically metric ton. 50 nm cube of ammonia is present in a tank, तो उसका वॉल्यूम आपका मेट्रिक टन में कितना होगा? फॉर्मूला इज वेरी इजी. मेट्रिक टन इज इक्वल टू क्वांटिटी ऑफ गैस इज nm क्यूब इंटू मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ दैट गैस डिवाइड बाई 22.4 इंटू 1000. आपको ये फॉर्मूला डायरेक्टली यूज़ कर लेना है और आप इसको डायरेक्टली याद कर लीजिएगा. So here 50 is given to us. Quantity of gas is nm cube. 50 into 17 is basically molecular weight of ammonia. Divide by 22.4 into 1000. From here the value we are getting is 0.0379 metric ton. It means 50 nm cube of gas that is present in a tank is basically 0.0379 metric tons. Now the second query. How to convert nm cube to basically sm cube? 50 nm cube of ammonia is present in a tank. We have to convert this volume into sm cube. So here we have to use ideal gas law. P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. Here pressure we can take in atmosphere, volume can be taken in meter cubes, and temperature in Kelvin. So 50 nm cube of ammonia is present in a tank. We are putting that, as we know that in case of nm cube pressure is 1 atm, here the value is 1. Then volume is given to us as 50. Here we have taken 50 divided by 0 plus 273. As the temperature is nm cube case is basically 0. So here we are taking 0 plus 273. And in case of sm cube pressure is 1. Volume we have to calculate, and temperature we know is 15 degree centigrade. That is basically 15 plus 273. So the volume that we are getting here is V2 is equal to 52.74 sm cube. Means 50 nm cube of ammonia is basically equal to 52.74 sm cube. Now nm cube per hour conversion to meter cube per hour conversions. 50 nm cube per hour of ammonia is flown through a pipe. What is its volume in meter cube per hour at 30 degree centigrade and 4 atm pressure? Here again we have to use the same law. P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. In case of nm cube pressure is 1, so we have taken 1. 50 nm cube is 50 and temperature is 0, so 0 plus 273. And the other condition where we have to find meter cube per hour is given to us. Pressure is 4, so that we are taking 4. V2 we have to calculate, and temperature is given as 30 degrees, so that we have taken as 30 plus basically 273. So the volume that we are getting here is V2 is equal to 13.87 meter cube per hour. Means 50 nm cube per hour of a gas that is being converted into meter cube per hour at 30 degree and 4 atm pressure is basically 13.87 meter cube per hour. Now sm cube to meter cube conversion. This conversion is very easy, but it takes 2 steps. At first you have to convert this sm cube to nm cube. Then I have directly told you to how to convert this nm cube to basically metric tons. 50 sm cube of ammonia is present in the tank. What is its volume in metric ton? That we have to calculate. We have to use P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. Here pressure is given in this sm cube case is 1. Volume is given as 50. Temperature is 15 degrees, so the bottom value is coming as 273 plus 15. And on the other side we have to convert it into first into nm cube. In case of nm cube pressure is 1. V2 we have to calculate. the temperature is 273 plus 0, as in this case the temperature is 0 degree centigrade. So the value that we are getting here is V2 47.39 nm cube. So in the first step we have basically converted this SM cube to nm cube. Now in the second step we are going to convert this nm cube to basically metric tons. So metric ton is basically quantity of gas is nm cube into molecular weight of gas divided by 22.4 into 1000, that I have already told you. So here nm cube volume I have already calculated 47.39 into molecular weight of gas, that is ammonia, it's 17, divided by 22.4 into 1000. So the value that you are getting is 0.0359 metric tons. So hope this basically conversion from one unit to another unit, this concept has been made clear to you. So that's all for today's lecture. In next lecture we will be meeting with a new topic. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.